Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the latest Amazon Fire TV stick. Well, this is the third generation Fire TV stick, which of course has no design changes, but then there's a lot of internal changes, and which I'll be talking about in this video. Well, if I talk about the package, this is the Amazon retail package which you get when you order it from Amazon India. The link is given in the description in case you would like to buy this. And if I look at the additional details here, it's clearly mentioned that this package was imported in the month of October 2020, and other details are exactly mentioned here. Anyway, moving on, if I talk about the other features and everything, all the details are mentioned here. Like, it offers you with great performance, and it comes with the Dolby Audio, Alexa voice remote with TV controls. Again, this is the main variant, not the lighter variant. I'll be trying to make a video of the lighter variant later on. But if you take another look, here is the press and ask Alexa option, power volume controls, Dolby Atmos, 1080p HD, and it comes with a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor, and it supports 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and it has all these details. Again, do make a note that this comes with only full HD, and if you want the 4K one, then that's going to be a separate option. And probably there's a lot of interest in the light variant, then I'll try to buy that and also share more details about the same. But first thing first, here is what we get within this package. So here is the all new Amazon Fire TV stick. First thing, we have a little reading manual which says hello, and there is complete information, but we don't really need this. It just shows what we get within the package. So let's move on. And here is the little Fire TV stick, the main unit, and as I mentioned earlier, this is what you get. It's the HDMI pin on this side, and on the front you have this logo HDMI mentioned. The power is micro USB port here given here, and that's about it. This is what you get. Apart from this, when we take a look at the other components of this package, we have a lot of stuff. First thing first, what is more important is let me just open up everything first and take a look at what we get, because something is still missing, and that's probably the power plug. So here we have the power plug. Now in the box we have these two AAA batteries, and apart from that we have this power plug, which is Amazon branded power plug, and that's going to be connected to this micro USB cable in order to use this unit. So this is what we get within the package. Now let me just quickly show you the remote control. So here we go. This is the remote control. So here's the all new remote control which we get within this box, and this is the wrapping on it. This is the round dialer, the standard Amazon Fire TV stick remote which we get. So this is what we get in this box. Let me just plug this in and then connect this directly with the TV, and then show you the all new features which we get on this brand new Amazon Fire TV stick. Again, these are the package components which we get in this box.
346 minutes later.
So guys, we have done the setup on this new Fire TV stick. Let me first go to the settings and take a look at the options here. First thing first, we have a bunch of different options. Under my account, we could take a look at all the options. Again, I have set up a pin during the setup process itself, because of which anyone without the pin cannot access all these settings. So that is one important parameter. But let's move on, and here we have the option to sync the Amazon content, and under my Fire TV we have the about zone, where you can see that this has the software version. The storage is 8 GB out of the box, out of which we actually get 5.35 GB available, out of which again 4.6 is only available because there's a bunch of different applications which are already installed onto this. And we have some developer options in case we are looking for that. Apart from that, we have the option of preferences, where you can set up or control the parental option. So do you want to set up some viewing restrictions, then yes, you can set it up here. We have the option to change the pin here. So this is actually useful in case you would like to have parental controls over the content or the complete TV itself. So that is pretty much good here. We have the privacy settings where you can enable all these options. In case you're interested, you can disable that. We have the option to data monitor it. Yes, I would go for that. And here you can set up the video quality. Since I am on a 100 Mbps line, I would go for the best, but if you are on a 5 to 10 Mbps line, I would suggest you to go for better, where you can save some amount of data. There are also option of data limit setup. So let's say you would say that, after 1 GB, let's say you're using a limited broadband connection and you want to limit your internet to something like maybe like 1 GB or 10 GB a month, then that is something you can do it, and we would get an alert. So you can already see that since I set it up from 19th of this month, we have already used 0.26 GB out of 1 GB. So I'll keep getting this reminders also, and that is something which will be useful for you in the long run. Of course, if you're on a limited data connection, we have the option for Alexa again, and we can set up or control the same. And then we have the options for remote controls and everything, so that's not much needed. Let's go to the main interface, and this is the all new interface. Again, there's not much of a difference here. According to Amazon, this has to be faster and smoother, which I do believe, yes, it is a little bit faster. The moment we open Amazon Prime Video, we now have option to set up 6 different profiles. So I could just go and create a new profile. So let's say I would like to open a profile for my daughter Gia, and I would like to just say Gia, and also we need to make sure that we select the option of kids profile, so that she cannot access any content above the age of 12, and the moment you go inside, you would see all kid friendly content here, which is all visible here. There are additional options also under settings, as I mentioned earlier, which you can customize it. This is where you can set up the watch list, and if you would like to switch the profile from the kids profile to, let's say, the parents profile, then you can do it this way. And this is my profile, again the office profile, so I'm not sure what is being watched here, don't judge me based on that. But here under the settings, we have the options to do additional changes in the parents account. So we have all these options, and this is the basic interface preview what you get on this. Let me just quickly check the latest movie on Amazon Prime. I'm just trying to do some latest search. Okay, Amazon Prime movie is what it searched, because I actually didn't search the right way. Maybe I'll directly search for Gunjan Saxena. Yes, it was able to find that. Let me just search for Shakuntala Devi. Well, that was perfect. And overall, I would say that the Alexa part, the voice search works great. In fact, one good thing about this remote control is that if you have during setup, if you have set the right options, you could actually control the voice, the volume control. You don't need the TV's remote to separately control that. And also you could turn off the TV with this remote itself, though right now it's not working because I couldn't get the option of OnePlus in the setup screen. But this is how this option would work for you. And this was the complete basic setup features of the all new Amazon's Fire TV Stick remote, the 3rd generation one, which supports full HD quality. The TV which I'm showing you a demo is the OnePlus 65 inches 4K OLED TV, and this is not the OLED TV, actually it's a QLED TV, but yeah, that's about it. This is a pretty smooth interface and everything, and this was a complete overview of this. If you have any questions about this TV or this all new Amazon TV stick, you can just post the same in the comment section below, and I'll be answering that. That's it, guys. This was a complete video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to Phone Ref for more videos like these. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.